everyone! If you love making jewelry that looks expensive but it's super easy to create, you're going to love this. Today, I am showing you how to make a beautiful beaded necklace with a unique twist, a double layer right in the middle that gives it that elegant designer feel. It's beginner friendly, affordable, and totally customizable. Let's jump right in. I'm gonna be using scissors, tiger tail wire, beading plier, blue and ivory beads, metal stoppers, bead dividers, magnetic clasp, tape measure. Use your tape measure to measure your neck. Add 5 extra inches to allow for looping and clasping. Cut your tiger tail wire to that length. Insert one end of the wire into one hole of the magnetic clasp. Then insert a stopper onto both ends of the wire. Pull the stopper down near the clasp. Use your beading plier to press the stopper down tightly and secure it in place. Add 11 blue 6mm beads. You can go ahead and create any design you like. Seven. 8. 9. 10.
Is here. One.
11.
Mommy?
Then add 12 blue 8mm beads. After that, insert a 2-hole bead divider. For the upper strand, alternate blue and white 4mm beads, a total of 23 beads. For the lower strand, also alternate blue and white 4mm beads, this time 26 beads. This creates the beautiful double layer effect in the middle. Add the second bead divider to bring the strands back together. Repeat the earlier sequence: 12 blue beads 8 mm, 11 blue beads 6 mm. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is it. Slide a stopper onto the wire. Insert the wire into the second hole of the magnetic clasp. Loop the wire back through the stopper. Then insert it through 2 more beads for extra hold. Pull the wire tight so everything is secured. Use your beading plier to press the stopper down and trim any excess wire. Just cut it. And that's it. You've just made a beautiful, professional looking double layer beaded necklace. Perfect for your home collection or as a handmade gift. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry tutorials. See you next time. Have a blessed day.